सेमिनार को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मूविंग अहेड, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट होस्ट क्लब प्रेसिडेंट दिव्या बरतारिया टू प्लीज कम एंड एड्रेस द गैदरिंग.
Thank you very much, ma'am. What an amazing crowd. Thank you so much for joining us at the district seminar on New Generations Yuva. Wish you all a very good morning and a very warm welcome. Being a proud Rotarian, a Midtowner, presently holding the responsibilities as the president of Rotary Allahabad Midtown, which is built on a strong leadership foundation, I feel excited, elated, and elevated to represent not only Rotary Allahabad Midtown, but all the clubs of Prayagraj. I take this opportunity to welcome each and every interactor, Rotaractor, Rotarian, and non-Rotarians present in this New Generations Seminar, Yuva. It is indeed a great joy to see many of you here today in the city of Prayagraj. I extend my special welcome and thanks to all those who have traveled to Prayagraj from different cities and from distant locations. Welcome to Yuva, the district seminar on New Generations. Yuva, I love this title. I like this title, and that is why I named the seminar as Yuva. It naturally and automatically creates a kind of spirit, enthusiasm, zeal, and dynamism within us that makes us feel young and at the same time enlightened with new energy, new commitments, and new plans while we take along with us our new generations. Friends, no doubt our today's prime agenda is New Generations, which is the fifth new avenue of Rotary service and that recognizes the positive change implemented by youth and young adults. But let me share with you the beauty and significance of today's event. This is another important thing that I wanted to share with you. This month, February, has been declared as the World Understanding Month and the Rotary Anniversary Month, as it was 116 years ago, on 23rd February 1905, that Paul Harris and 3 of his friends founded the first Rotary Club. So let us celebrate the moment for our triple agenda today. RI President Holger Knack has also said, this month, let us celebrate our history and the many ways that Rotary opens opportunities to advance world understanding, goodwill, and peace. I trust all of you will join the seminar till the end as we celebrate our successes, look to the future, and discover new ways to open up opportunities, engage Rotarians, and change lives. So today, when we have gathered here to share and understand what New Generations means to us and what it means to Rotary, it becomes extremely important for me to express my hearty welcome to all of you. Let me take this excellent opportunity to welcome our today's chief guest, RI Director-elect, Rotarian A.S. Venkateshji. Venkateshji, these are few lines for you. You exemplify the man of service and devotion. You exemplify the man of service and devotion. You are here for love and peace promotion. You are ready to lead the Rotary across the nation. We are grateful to you for your presence and motivation. Thank you very much, Venkateshji, for joining us. Dear RIDE Rotarian Venkateshji, it is a great honor for me, for my club, for the city of Prayagraj, in finding you here with us as the chief guest. A very warm welcome to you. Since I have joined any organization, be it United or be it Rotary, I have given my best and lived up to the fullest, and this is the reason I have experienced the gratification at its best without any doubt or dilemma. I express my heartfelt thanks to welcome our District Governor, Rotarian K.K. Srivastava-ji, for showing confidence in me and becoming instrumental in giving me this opportunity of hosting this seminar. Yuva is going to add glory to my experiential journey, another feather in the cap of my service journey. Thank you very much, Rotarian K.K. Srivastava-ji. for giving me this opportunity. I welcome on behalf of the entire club. We are fortunate to have a personality that exemplifies a blend of passion and patriotism. Foot soldier of India, Mr. Ashish Sharma. He is for Unmukt India, child begging free India. In the later phase, we'll see to it that how he is doing, providing his services towards Unmukt India vision. I would like to welcome Mr. Ashish Sharma, our special invitee today. Welcome, Ashish Sharma ji. We have a galaxy of past district governors, PDG and RC, Rotarian Pradeep Mukherjee ji, PDG and district trainer, Rotarian Ranjit Singh ji. I hope he has joined us. Yes, welcome Ranjit Singh ji. PDG Dr. Pramod Kumar, PDG Rotarian Satpal Gulati ji, PDG Rotarian Stuti Agrawal ji. I hope she has also joined. We are waiting for her presence. And IPDG and District Chairman, New Generations Rotarian Sanjay Agrawal ji, if he is here with us. All right, we are waiting for his gracious presence as well, along with all the other PDGs and district post holders who are always there with us as the advisors and mentors. I express my hearty welcome to all the senior Rotarians present over here. A very warm welcome to the assistant governors, Rotarian Prakash Azad ji, Rotarian Muniraj ji, to the seminar. In fact, these two persons have always been there with me throughout as the guiding stars. I welcome Rotarian Prakash Azad ji and Rotarian Muniraj ji. Thank you so much. Thank you. So they are actually the assistant governors. They are, providing me assistance throughout as the guiding stars. I am again honored to have with us ZLCC Rotarian Arvind Agrawal ji. I hope he is here with us. All right, so Chandrasekhar Verma ji, Rotarian Rajiv Jaipuria ji, Rotarian Sunil Bansal ji, Paritosh Bajaj ji, Raila Chairman, Rotarian Ajit Mehrotra ji, Dr. Sudhir Verma ji, Dr. Abha Verma, Dr. Sanjay Nigam ji, and all the presidents, secretaries, and all the members of the other clubs. Thanks for joining us. I welcome all of you, each one of you, to this district seminar. On behalf of the Rotaract Club, on behalf of the Rotary Labad Midtown, I welcome DRR Rotaractor Rajan Gupta ji and other Rotaract representatives as well. Rotaractors are actually the Rotary's rock stars. They inspire us with big dreams and even bigger actions. I'm delighted to welcome all the dynamic Rotaractors present over here. I'm inspired by the incredible leadership displayed by the Rotaractors. Just for instance, I can take one name, Simran Manoja. She started from United Rotaract Club, and then she continued, after passing out, she continued with, by joining Rotaract Sangam City. It is a community-based club. And now she is providing her services in various ways. Similarly, we have various dynamic leaders, dynamic Rotaractors present over here. Let us share and work together for the universal harmony. Stay in service and be ready for life-changing skills and experiences. Welcome to Yuva. Yes, we have interactors as well. I welcome all the interactors along with their faculty advisors, Mr. Mayank and Ms. Saloni, to Yuva, our district seminar. This year we had 2 Interact clubs chartered, and I'm thrilled and honored that both the Interact clubs are present over here. All the students are here. I welcome on behalf of Rotary Labad Midtown and also on behalf of all the clubs of Prayagraj. I know that this may be your first Rotary seminar. I will never forget my first convention or seminar. Likewise, I wish that you get your minds ignited with an ethical sense of curiosity, desire, and responsibility, so that you come into action. You start taking action by joining Rotary, by joining Interact Club. Welcome to Yuva. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, I want to give you a preview of the tremendous program that we have built for you, with inspiring speakers, great entertainment, cultural performances, experience sharing, and future plans. And I am confident that at the end of the event and at the end of the day, you would be better able to be figuring out what to do next. And I hope you will cherish the best and the most important part of this seminar, which is bringing new and talented people to the stage and meeting new people and nurturing relationships through friendship and fellowship. We have brought campus talent to Rotary, right? Today we have brought campus talents to Rotary. Also, we have brought street talent to Rotary, road talent to Rotary. A creative and constructive collaboration makes everyone here as part of our Rotary family. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, let me share another uniqueness of this seminar, which is the welcome kit that you have received today. These kits are handmade by the poor and needy women of our project Chetna, RSTI, Rotary Skilling and Training Center. So let us give a huge round of applause for these poor women and ladies. They have made these kits, and that is why we have provided them this opportunity. By having this in our hands, we will be not only appreciating their efforts, but also encouraging them for their self-dependence and self-confidence and also self-employment. Thank you so much, Rotarian Dr. Sunil Bansalji, for your kind support towards this endeavor. We welcome you. Then you will get a small book, Yog Ki Purnata, as gifted by Assistant Governor and Chairman New Generations, Rotarian Muni Rajji. I think it is there in your bag. If it is not there, we will provide you at the end of the seminar. Thank you so much, Rotarian Muni Rajji, for your kind gesture. We welcome you once again. Again, I would say that it is my privilege and a tremendous honor to have been given this opportunity of hosting a district seminar, and that too, new generations, very much close to my heart. It is really wonderful to have Interact, Rotaract, and Rotary together in Yuva. I hereby proclaim the Rotary four-way test here before we start our lively seminar here. Is it the truth? So the first test is it the truth? Yes, it is the truth. Rotary, Rotaract, and Interact are together under one roof, under one umbrella of Yuva for service commitments and service celebrations. It is the truth. Second, is it fair to all concerned? Yes, it is. All concerned are interconnected for a common vision and mission of Rotary, which is service above self, and yes, it is fair to all concerned. Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Yes, it will. We will be fortified with the necessary knowledge and skills to share and build goodwill and better friendships. Will it be beneficial to all concerned? Yes. Through creative and constructive collaborations, it is going to benefit all concerned. Join Rotary, develop membership, build public image, do service projects, help others in need. You will succeed indeed. Right, there are many people throughout our community and the world who need Rotary. Let us all join hands and leave here ready to make their lives better and in turn our lives meaningful. I would like to show you a glimpse of what Rotary Allahabad clubs are doing towards this avenue of new generations. So just a small video. I had invited photographs from different clubs of Prayagraj in order to show what they are doing under the umbrella of new generations. So I request someone on the stage to play a video, a very short video. So that was the short preview of what we have done and what we will be doing in the days ahead. I know the power of Rotarians. All the Rotary clubs of Prayagraj city are doing wonderful services in all the service avenues and covering all the 6 areas of focus. I welcome all the Rotarians and non-Rotarians to this district seminar. Once again, welcome to Rotary Allahabad Midtown. Welcome to this district seminar on new generations. Welcome to Prayagraj. Thank you so much. Thank you.